This project is made possible through Connectivity Emergency Relief Grants awarded by the Kansas Department of Commerce through federal CARES funding. These are really designed to address internet connectivity needs made more important because of the COVID-19 pandemic. We would not be able to do these projects without those awards from the state of Kansas or without all the community partnerships we've forged with commissions, cities, United Ways, and community foundations. So we're very thankful for everyone's support. We made a decision to come to Meade County because we heard that for far too long it's been one of the most underserved areas of the state.
We've been researching, we've been talking, we've been discussing, but we never could get anybody to just take it by the horn and help us out until Daniel come here with IdeaTek. And once he heard us, he started making plans. He started giving us insights. He started helping us find things that we needed to do.
I have long compared internet to electricity, and I have said that internet is every bit as important as electricity, and if we don't do the entire county, we will never get it done.
With the coronavirus, we're seeing more people working from home. This will be a game changer for them. I think we'll have people who went to school here, high school, moved away, went to college, are living in a bigger city, but they could work from home. You know, maybe they move back to our community, and the one thing they have to have is good internet.
Economic growth is a plus for this, for sure. And our schools then, with our students reaching out to worldwide opportunities, is also a plus. I think that if we can provide those opportunities and show them what the world really truly is outside of our county, and jobs, understanding that there are potential employees out in this area for their companies, that's great.
Every step took us a long time. 5 years. 5 years. This is great.